In the last video, we already talked about how to install Laravel with Nginx, and today I am going to talk about Vite. What is Vite? You can see Vite is a modern front-end build tool that basically we use it to manage the style like CSS and JavaScript file. In the last video, I already showed you I have installed Laravel 10. So when we install Laravel 10, we already it's already have a Vite file here that we can use as a Vite config. So let's see how we install it from step by step. You can go to the Laravel page and see. Firstly, you need to have a node, so you go to install node first, and then you can install Vite. But as I already mentioned, Vite is already come with Laravel 10, so we already have this. So we just go to install node. After we done installation of node, we can use npm install inside our project. So let me do it because I already have installed npm on my computer. So let me open a new terminal and let me test for you if npm is already on my computer or not. Yes, it is version 10.2. It's already on my computer, so I can access it by this is my I should go to the root parts of project. So I access to the directory. It is demo. Yes, I am on the root parts of directory. It is should be npm install. So you notice right here it has no folder node module, and then after we run this command, it will generate some file and some directory that contain with inside here. That like you see, it is generate a node module that we can see here. So we wait until it's done and do anything more. Yes. Okay, right now this step is done. We can see some file and folder here, and right now we can say it is completely with Vite. To use Bootstrap, when we go to the Bootstrap website, we can see how to install Bootstrap. This is how to install with npm. We can use this command, and I copy it, then paste it here, and then install it. Okay, right now it already generate a folder Bootstrap right here. So let's see it. Okay, now we let test it. Is it work or not? So let me go to our URL. It is demo, and the default is this page because of our route is point to blade welcome. So let me go to the welcome blade and update some code. We want to test Bootstrap code, so I need to go to Bootstrap website and browse some element like, and I browse some like a navbar, and if it works, this code should be displayed like this. So let me copy it and paste inside welcome. Let me complete my HTML first. This is stored inside body, and how to use it. We need to go to Laravel Vite and see it again. After we done install Laravel Vite, how to use it in Blade. Okay, so let me scroll more. Yes, this is how to use Vite in Blade. Okay, let me copy it and paste it here. So to make it work, we need to import here inside this app.css. We need to import. We need to install Bootstrap here also. This is mean you import all CSS from Bootstrap. You can also import specifically by just bootstrap.css like example, or you can use SCSS also. And then okay, it's working after we use this import. And so let me try to click it. It's working. But if I don't import it here, I hope it's not working. So let me test for you. I already updated it and I refresh it again. The style, it's already working because we import it inside CSS. It will recognize the styles, the CSS, and it can show you the style. But for JS, it's not working because here it is the JS file we must import here. So let me save it again and refresh. It's back to work. So for today's video is going to the end. I just show you how to install Vite and Bootstrap. We can use npm to install another package as you want. So this is just an example to install with Bootstrap. I will show you more package if I found that something we need to do with our project to demo for you. So see you in the next video.